So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can download iTunes in your MacBook. So guys, if you want to download iTunes, then this video is for you. Just go ahead and open any browser that you want and type in download iTunes. Once you do that, you'll be in this page. Just go ahead and tap on this first button that says iTunes Apple. Now you'll be shown to this page. It says right here that I need to upgrade to my latest Mac in order to download it. So guys, just don't forget to upgrade your MacBook. And once you've done that, you'll see the download option right here. And all you would have to do is just go ahead and tap on it. And you'll see this right in your download history and you'll start downloading. So guys, that's how you download iTunes and MacBook. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.